gendo labo omusawo.
Come and join us, guys.
Some moments are just for you.
Just you.
Flavor with a zest.
That's amazing.
Noyenditendekero eri kushongora abeji kurungi omwanya gwihorere aha fizi eri kubasika Ibanda University niyo answer. Ekirizibwe aba National Council for Higher Education kandi bine intake eya May ahamwe na August. Nibahereza short course certificates ngeya Financial Management, Public Administration and Management, diplomas ngeya Information Technology, Education Primary, degrees ngeya Mass Communication. Imwe abari kwenda konjera aha bitabo bine postgraduate diplomas na masters nka MBA, Education Planning and Administration, Public Administration n'ezindi nyamwingi. Manya ebyombeko n'ibirungi, library na computer lab n'ebyomulembe kandi hariho na studio eya radio eyokutendeka abanyamakuru. Okumanya ebiri kukiraho tushanje ahari www.ibandauniversity.ac.ug ninga tera esimezi. Ibanda University,
hard work for excellence.
Abekwe mwamitike abatike motorcycles nwebuka ishebo Mr. Serwada Paulo owabijaba kakoma chazanga Rwengo district nwebikira abachazanga ryantonde Masaka Mbarura City abanywani n'abanyamukago mwena mwabikirwa okuzika n'urwo kubanza ebirabo na bina okwa munana 2026 shamukaga eziyango makagabo omujenzi mukama amuhumuze je.
Odiati voice na kwa chiro makuru Agacencwire amazina Mbabazi Charity kanyine Loice Gava mukurutseyo mbimwa kola herizoba no maramzo gatarga mwena gamwe herizoba nsande ebiro na bishatu ebyo kwa munana 2026 eshahane ibiri ntuje kwisi mtu ya makuru kandi kuturagartse tuje kwisi ya makuru Agacencwire humbwijiri
emitwe y'amakuru ne kushikibwaho
Global Paints mutia kusiringi tukosa Global Mat ate munda ne tukosa Global Silk Vinyl
singa kwetaga
wabweru tukosa Global Weather Coat Emulsion
akusinga je musiga ogwo mutindo okusasulira sente zonna.
Bishop Stewart University, a chartered Christian university located in Kakowa, Mbarara City. At BSU, we are committed to producing graduates who are responsible, entrepreneurial, ethical, and God-fearing.
Omugacencwire kireki omushijo mu rukungera zikwira omutumbi yagushereka
omuntu otwazikire amutire nkahe
obushomankuzo mu rubundu bujo bombekero rutindo ahatari mugera.
So I said, what is this bridge? He said, in the future we are anticipating to channel some water here and go to a river here.
abebembezi bakinjira orutindo orukugita rwampara na shema
tubese kinjira urugudoro.
That means what? It's bad enough.
emitwe y'amakuru yabane kushikibwaho
Global Paints ku ceiling tukozesa Global Mat ate munda ne tukozesa Global Silk Vinyl
Singa kwetaga wabweru.
wabweru tukozesa Global Weather Cotton Emulsion
Kusiga je musiga. Ogwo mutindo okusasulira sente zonna.
Bishop Stewart University, a chartered Christian university located in Kakova, Mbarara City. At BSU, we are committed to producing graduates who are responsible, entrepreneurial, ethical, and God-fearing.
Mbabazi Charity na Loice Gava gana makuru Agacencwire ombwijire abaturo muri mironzi ya kashatu muri ya kashatu Bikurung Town Council Rukunjiri District barebera kutangara bwanyuma y'umutura mugenzi wabo orukumanyanka amasiko kwehangana kutahira kituro cy'umutura hakatandika kutimba byona nebikomoka ha plot yitaka hayibara kugira ngo naenda kwamba ahamfuzi
abatura abarukwetombo itiro kutimbe kituru cha mutahi wabo nubajangwe haneri tubakarire baga kandi ngo mushijo kwehangana ateganisa abantu binja ha cyaro arikunyaga amataka gabo kifuba
Tuyino kushasha kwango nico twayimukira nkaseru yona tukebuza omuntu twazikire amutire nkahe twina no kwererikira kwango omuntu gutitwe yasagaza kwita nico muri kuturebera government ntubashaba kujya mutuyambe abo kwa turi kuza twahababa batubuzabuza tutegereza ngo baza kutuyamba juba ebintu birema
Tuba bataka twino kushasha kwango ahabwo kureba omuntu utwazikire kandi omubusingi kandi ari afande kandi omwanya gutwamuzikire mu gwabire guryo gweye abo kwanyikanye we nikimanya akombe kwa hantu ari kwagura ari kombeka no mukazi wenyina wajo viyogo mwishogo nimbimanya
ogu owafire no mwisikare witu nkamwezi zikira atineho kachokole na kamwe akita kuna abandi yahwirizo nahurira ngo masiko kwehangana umutumbi yagutwara nabandi hari ubundi yatinyine n'amanyanyanisha ninyo abo kumanya masiko ngo abagumushuma kayatwire n'imiti ya rwenjiri ya society
Jovia Twinomjisha efuzi eibar kwenda kutwara hitaka ashabere government kurabiro mbebembezi kumuhera ahabo ko batayine butoro baheza kumbingo mu itaka ry'abazirebe
kandi nishaba government nyino busatsi kwango tinyine bitu abasire banje bakafa nigita kari mabona tata babere bansikiremo abatakani bakimanya bona okuntwiremo emyaka 22 na gumwe eyimaziremo kuyabazire banje ni bafata imbere nyine mu myaka 2 na gumwe none nishaba government okunyamba
abebembezi bajumirire kikorwa iki bagumze ngo kikozurwe mu buhenda baragiro
nincenerera ikikorwa nkecho twatandika kushanga ngo abantu bariyo batandika kuzikora abantu government teri kucumanya tekora ki tiyamanyisa abebembezi ahabwa cyariyo nagezaho kuzikora umuntu
kurugira umusero yanje ko hatwire hatari mu mishango umushango gugubira hano umushango gugwisi kandi ndidi kirereka no muntu amuzikwire mu yamutwara umuntu utarimo mu China turenda government kwerabe era impurikize ndashaba government ndashaba RDC DPC KAU na mukuru w'ihanga kwarara kwata amahurire batuyambe
nabasa kwate shituru kandi bintu babitira mu bebembezi bataka barabwire wakati shituru twagira mu bwoba ngo nabasa no kwita mu ntabwo kubesha ibyaje giciriga kirengire kandi dushashe shituru cyari kushenye naco mwane fuzi kandi otukuzire nawe nangwa twagira ukoresha twateka ngo uburi bana befuza barya batine kiyamba nabazaguma batwarize ntwaza nkeje ngo tujye kushasha kwangu tujuka tuza police
Wilberforce Ongoma himbiswe omwezi wa RDC ahabwa Rukunjiri district aragiro kwatwa ko mushijogu ahabo kurubatiro bwabe bw'umufu
naragira ngo umushira bamukwate n'uyashinya kari akaje atahabuzire kuza abinayo gambira mu polisi ngo bamukwate tindi kumanya bwacu bwirogwe babena bajya gutara mu bikoro none kutuye turyaho twaronka ati yatahira kituru cyanya kufa nacyo yaciye
aho turi kugambira ibi kwihangana ari nyuma y'emitehimbwa
turekera izuba abantu bo mu mironzi yakashatu muri bikurungu kanso muri Rukonde district bakira kugwera kagwe omu cyanga cyabo wanyuma yo mutura mugenzi wabo kumanyanka amasiko utahire kituro akakitimba akayo murambo akaguzaho kandi twemera yo muri bikurungu town kanso aba TV West na Sigandani basibye muri Rukonde
webari Dan basibye abakozi ba government igana mukago mu district ya Bundu Bujon bahirwa Bundu Numa ahabo kuriyangatanisa sente za parish development model minister wa government zebyanga barambarga harana jirangu okwigaba tukurukwija kwemera okwisyo barakwatwe bakashanga abanda bakwasirwe home
Minister kugambe ebi nobuyaba nabugana ho abanyamakuru mu Rurembo Fort Poto mukajeshekera izoba kubamanyisa habyashangira mu cyanga cya Rwenzori umuhuru yo kurwana so bushomankuzi umwihanga
arota onukanse mu government yakombeka makatale akatale kibayembegere ka billion emu nekicheka bo kubana okarora okusora gama ndi kiraro chenti so ngambira ababaire mu mulimo ogobona babakwati amatara gasorage baguziraga agata onukanso bona tigakora itara limuli kangura milioni musanju bakaba budgetingira ibitara kansanju so bayina kusesemezo sente omwanda gwa koransi mu kibito nago batagukole bakakora nka obudongo bakosa obudongo ukikaro kya koransi bakosa obudongo bwenyine
Minister Baramu Barugahara atayayire district ziri mu bundi buryo bunyanga bunakasese mu cyange cya Toro
PDM, they have been playing around it. The commercial officer appoints PDM chiefs so that they take 30 million of every circle back to the district. And the president says take 1 million. Then you are giving someone 500, 700. That is totally wrong. So whoever is involved, PDM has been a very big problem in Ibundubujo. People have been stealing. Civil servants received $1 million, each of them 106 civil servants, mostly government teachers. And the government will not receive that money.
Okurugera har Minister Baramu abakozi ba government 16 baza kutwarwa mu kote babitebiye kubara kwatwa habwo kubabesherekere bwanyuma yo kuriyangatanisa sente za PDM.
Taking PDM. So those ones will have to go to court for taking money for PDM. 106 of them. The commercial officer is in. DEO for his role in recruiting in putting people from private schools to government schools is slept in. The human resource officer who has been paying ghost teachers and the health workers in Ibundubujo, she slept in. The IT person who's supposed to fill in the PDM information, who put in the information of civil servants in the system for them to defraud the government 106 million, is on the run, but still he will not go. Even if he goes to Congo, we shall pick him.
Ekero kutangaza ku rugabundu buryo omurutaya yorwa minister wahibaye ombekero rutindo kandi hataruho mugera gwona.
But they are putting up a bridge. So I said, what is this bridge? He said, in the future we are anticipating to channel some water here and create a river here. So that is Ibundubujo. They have channeled a bridge. They are putting up a bridge where there is no river, and then there is an existing road. They have shifted a bridge to a place which has an existing road to compensate the councillor who owns the land where that structure has been put.
Baramu nagira ngo abebembeze na munonga ba RDC tubakozere cyo kumara okwera abantu baburijo.
Some RDCs indeed have been a disappointment. The RDC of Bunyangabo, people could not even allow him to talk. He has been chasing the poor and siding with the rich. He has been releasing suspects held on big charges. He orders for their release, and then the people lose justice. He sides with people take their land. So many things came up.
Umuganda speaker wa district ya Kisoro Amos Hakizimana Erastus Inshaka chairman wakachikwa kari kugabemermo kansara wegombora ya Nyarusiza John Fitumukiza headmistress wa Kabere Primary School Joseline Mbabazi na Alphonse Muhanika bakwasirwe kitongore cy'uruko rwaniso burugwengu zo mu ihanga echa anti-corruption unit. Abantu batekatekwaho kuba batwire baguze imirimo ya government mu district ya Kisoro. John Nyakahuma mukuru w'abakozi ba Kisoro district, Francis Kamugisha umuhandiki wa service commission na Alex Matata chairperson w'ikibina cy'abashomise cya UNATU baburizamisho bwa nyuma yo kukimanyango n'abahigwa.
Niricharging abantu babiri nirigama ngo abantu birashimuka mba cyajinga akawayiro ka kabiri kan corruption act kagama ngo umuntu owabonere sente wakwasira sente ninga dena akawayiro ka kabiri nako akawayiro ka kabiri kagama n'umuntu wahireyo sente bona bashimuka mba cyajinga so expecting ana ngo office ya DPP nga CDPP Kampala yajya ngo yakucajinga abantu aba suspects then aba complainants nabo batekuza charge sheet kurengubona ninga indictment kurengubona bajawata baba hoise umukoti aba suspects bagame nguru kubanza bona babenda Kampala ukubanza ba proceeding ingasaba kumuzamna na investigations cyezo kureba ngati na investigations kawiri so umuntu asimukwa na conclude gesha age ngo abantu bari corrupt akora investigations zicyaje no misho
kugira ngo government intervening icekinge agakiko ka service commission irebe ibyo bakoraga nabikwiriye nuko nanje mbone justice umwe wagize ikibazo na service commission
nikigamwa ngo wabo tine miliyoni 5 kugaruka heguru tori kutunga mu district ya Kisoro gasha kwa Jonathan Nsengwire na Keta Tuzarirwe
mwebare abashaci beitu bamakuru abebembezi aba district ya Rwampara na Shema bacenje rutindo orwa Kanyigoro ho muri buteraniro nyihanga town council ahabwe mberambi eyurimo abaturana bacirangu ho rutindo rusisirwe ebimotoka ebirukushombo mshenyi bya Sinotrack
Orutindo rwa Kanyigoro mu ruteraniro nyihanga town council n'urwita district ya Rwampara na Shema kandi rutwirwe mu mberambi obwo rukugumana rubandama embere jeje meseriza bebembezi kushara mu kurucinga
omuntu yafa injura yatandikire kafinda that bridge it was straight like this you see how it has bended like this that means what it's bad roof awataka ma bridge ekabiri tekwe kabiri flat like this nikimanyisa hati ndio yatandikire kugwa tunashikore bishirikari tukana abantu bafere kai
so we said tukagira ngo save lives tubeshinjiro rugudoro abo kuba aba Sinotrack bakabandi bakozesa kandi ruguma rugira ha so we thought ngo abantu baza kuruzinga lives kuba kutwatire is it a carver twatire carvati abantu bijekiro bajihaho kugira ngo bagume bakozesa kandi nitala amagara gabo aharisi
abebembeze mbajyangwe shonga yo rutindeji batwire mbajigamba mu kanso bitutine cyakozirwe
if I can give you history ororti no rukutandika kusisikara tukaba turindwe Sinotrack azarushisha Rwampara district twakora resolutions na Shema district yakora resolutions
zaguma
zajya ngo orortindo secuwaringe Sinotrack azereka kugira ki barabo abashema naho ngabo bazibinga bajya ngushema zagagarika kugira ki ite Rwampara cyaguma kitoreme orortindo ngwahika kusisikara ko now hata no wakagari turiyo ntukumuze barakorabo
kuko mwagamba mwajya ngo Rwampara mwija mu rufure kuruzingo rugutizo ejedachi konka alternatives zemyanye ibaryumba tugambera abo kuba alternative yoro ruguto rukabiryo rwa kamera direct uruguto rwa kamera mwagira ngo mwakuruzingeri izoba we cannot use it for more than 2 days nduba rwakoze reki atinga gambira rutindo uruguto rwenyine tururu mu state iri passive
abamwe bashabire ko baba hamwe myeze 3 bita bebembezi bajyangu bine kurukinga kurinda amagara y'abantu
the moment I'm not supporting a China it might cause more harm. What if somebody comes at midnight? Maybe let it be run over the radio and TV for like 3 months. Atkora ta China cha 40 mukaga bamukumi na kuriya orije chiro na kugira.
Waragira engineer arukura district ya Rwampara kwatanse na bagenzi baye bashema urebe ngo twakora barriers izi kutangira abantu koza bridge waza akora alternative routes ko kuba bagambera
polisi tirwo mwanya ogu kuragira abante mahande ndijo
DPC polisi badete tuisa bulungi oze twachogera dete cha Sinotrack tinakusora any bridge Rwampara and Shema whenever you cross it to Shema there is a bridge you have river Riz stand bordering Rwampara and Shema so any connectivity it is a bridge tukashara mukare naye abapolisi mama temuwulira naye kati gwowulira
abaturamba jango turwo rutindo rwonkora sisikire bituno rwa cyanya mushusha na cyabahaya nazo ziryo mu mberambi ndi Anita Tukunda
webare Anita Atukunda isinjiro nayo kutunga ibintu bitongore okwera abakazi abinenta syanche bigambirwa hamukoro go kujaguza ekiro cy'abakazi ahabwa district isinjiro
Ebe bigambirwa na Tukunda Loice Kahindo Elveta ubwabira ryo mjenye mukuru amukoro go kuza kiro cy'abakazi mu district Sinjiro ebigambo bya Natukunda byiziro gwa nyuma yo myishengero kazi wisinjiro ririya rutero kumoreka kwaraho cyetengo ecyo kutungura abakazi abineta syanche
nubwo mukazi urukutera akaboxi kuba rwa gatano nanga rwa mukaga nanga sande akaboxi ako ni kirigirendera yo mwanya arabo kutera 2 arabo kutera 5 haba rukutera umutwaro mwani yabakaze rizoba ererya kazoba ababakaze bekikombe cyabo rwa gatano nanga rwa mukaga nanga sande naningira ngo kiro kikureki bagire kibaganyurwamo ahabo kuba kiro kikureki cyaganyirwa ngo mukaze rukutera muzi tuba twagira amani mingi rero ibindi birije bizaha mukazo wa rwagati na naha mukazo wa muheru
menyenda kudije nga elevate hack signing MOU yokora abantu aba mutwatire kandi ejo niza kuserana sa next week kuna abobwire era kurete niza signing na district tuije tutanditireho tukora abanyisinjiro nimbasaba mutere mashara bo kubita stur government twaso kutabasa konka twafuna kagishampora na abo kubita tweleveti na Uganda
hona hamukoro kabiro kwemurika okuzino kutera za band hamwe nebindi
akabatahurwa omukazi wa kale akabatagamba omukazi wa kale akabataza Chiyungu konko bwa hati ni totorwa vice president ni totorwa district RDCs ni totorwa member wa parliament ni tensa irakarito ruhorwa agona manga president Museveni muntere ngaro ninyenda bachara mwe yagare ninyenda mugambira isi na president Museveni hatahire mu PRU kuturatira kusimbura gendeye kutwaza ku bingoburo PDM erumu twinamwe sente za WEP nazo ziriho twine sente ziri mu agriculture za agriculture za UGIFT nimbasha abantu mu mureke tureke kureba hamwe tegeze muri hamwe ho na program aheri turebe ngo twa benefitinga
amukoro ngo gumwe abashije abashabirwa butosho kuhagira abakazi babo hamwe nabishci
bantu mwe twafunere bari daza barunja bamwe mureke tutakabagira rituma kandi tukajume ka Uganda rero abandi bari mu corruption abo burye sente zirengese bize badine kibakoze abo mbaheyo
amakuru agagasha kwa Ruth Nwamanya
wabare Ruth Nwamanya muri isinjiro reka tumereho ntugaruka nyuma y'akahumura
twakuretera omukazi orukonsya kandi ayina akakoko ka sirimu
kuza kamanya ketegeza nkakamanya nazire
Are you in panic? Or you're afraid to make a move? Don't worry. With Kazire Red Tonic, you will put her in red moments. And with Kazire Power Tonic, you have your game powered. Enjoy Kazire Red Tonic and Kazire Power Tonic, the natural organic products. Kazire Power Tonic, made from nettle tea, ginger, grapes, and honey.
Kazire Red Tonic, made from watermelon, pumpkin, grapes, and honey.
Power your game and ignite her happiness.
At Fins Medical University, we offer online postgraduate diploma in medical education, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery, MBCHB, Bachelor of Pharmacy, Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, Diploma in Clinical Medicine and Community Health, Diploma in Medical Laboratory Technology, among others, and certificate programs. Fins Medical University, a chartered medical university in East Africa and is located in Fort Portal. Apply now for the March or July-August intakes. Visit our offices or apply online on our website or contact us for details. Fins Medical University, saving lives, our passion.
Ebyokwomeka byonjera koroba kankwanjulire ankole Crazy Limited abara kubumbira byokwombekesa nkamategura amatafari n'ebindi bingi kandi ryo mutindo gwahigu nkamangalole tiles, Portuguese tiles na flat top agemigongo lero bakwinira amatafari ga buli mulingo nka fire bricks, max pans, interlocking bricks, otembwe partitioning blocks obumoli buro bwabuzire bwena babwine nka Z-Vent, Torino, Venezia na Sisa bakwine na Pompeii, Malta, Double Pompeii mwena bombeche na ba engineers na contractors mwena ankole Crazy baborobezaho byona barabibumbira muri mbarara omwibumbe rishugaine barakoresha technology rispiria eco nabyombecyese cyangane nka bendera ya Uganda bashangari mayiro 8 mbarara kabale road esimu noti mushanje 2 ananina 15 chenda na mukaga ankole Crazy Limited tugende twombeke.
Looking for a university that will shape your future and your character? Join Bishop Stewart University, a chartered Christian university located in Kakoa, Mbarara City. At BSU, we are committed to producing graduates who are responsible, entrepreneurial, ethical, and God-fearing. Applications are now open for August intake. Enroll for PhDs, Masters, Bachelors, Diplomas, Certificates and Higher Education Access Certificates and the Faculty of Law, Faculty of Health Sciences, Faculty of Education, Arts and Media Studies, Faculty of Business, Economics and Governance, plus Faculty of Agriculture, Environmental Sciences and Technology. Students can access government loans, sports scholarships, Professor Rukare Education Scholarships and Fairway Scholarships. Apply online at apply.bsu.ac.ug. Call 0707 200 703. Bishop Stewart University. Our God reigns.
Manager, ogito wagito. Konka batumu kidara, kabataka jiremu. MC takiziri. DJ achumna na wiring ebyoma. Tugumisize shanki ibiri.
Bantu mareka turgo muzano tugume twatesha. Twagamba shamushanju zibe shamushanju. Tukizana ngo okushara cake ni shamushanju. Nizeze nyine. Byo ni shara cake tukaza kunyumbo.
Na wapenzi yona nesente konga tanyuire mbogo. Nikushekerera nikuteganisa wenda nigende mbogo yoka. Oyine mbogo kanaba mulungi ayibambe nekorera. Ayimukama wanje okagaruka meshahara zanje.
Tandika izuba ryawe na ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up Fluoride Toothpaste ogira kasheko izuba ryona ombazgwa meino ogwatongozibwe hamtindo gwensi yona kandi gukahangura umudali gwa People's Choice and East Africa Award nigukuma kaho komukanwa karunji gweza meino kwiteshikoko cyo meino kandi gukazibero kurwara kozesa ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up omubirengo bitari bimwe na bimwe ebirimo white gel, herbal mint gel hamwe na red gel buri ka box ka ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up no shanga mu brush ya mino eyabsha gushanje umaduka gona mwihanga na burengero izuba bwa Africa tunga ABC Dent Nourish Fresh Up ahabwa kasheko akakusingayo.
Skylight Hotel restaurant uhereza bwo murembo muri Mbarara City ahibaru kwereza breakfast ngakatogo omelette Rolex sumbusha chapati chai yamate eyo mukaru akatunda ko murembe nebindi
bineona chamushanere kutandika shamu kagazi ihangwe nibateke nkoko embuzi echenyanja muchamo obushaza akaro ekitoche echozi emondi greens obutura eshwiga kandi echo kunywa nikigenderaho
Hey, manya bino buraro burunji bwo murembe aha bei nunji kandi warara Skylight Hotel Mbarara City breakfast ne yabusha bine rooms eziri self contained DSTV security rije kandi parking ne yemarira
bine bara yo murembe pool table sauna na steam bath hamwe na conference hall.
Skylight Hotel neshangwa omuri Mbarara City wahingura kace aha Vision Empire orguto rwatora katete ijuka ngu nibo ba director ba Skylight Hotel rukunjiri ebirukiraho tera note mushanje mwenda 18 58 38 ninga note mushanje note mukaga 36 36
nkazoro mfarati murunji kanda gworobi rosfo nikangara konko byamashemera nogwa mutindo rosfo insi yokushemera kwanje
okuraraje nukureto kuhangara no kutekatekaje umugongo takubyamaje no imukora ukushasha hindure mbyamire yawe no farati gwa rose form rwo farati gwa family buri muringo gwona ogo farati guruho
ndahati nyenchakare nebire byombisho rose form insi yokushemera kwanje
rose form insi yebiroto birungi
Otwiro inechetengo chokushuma bunasi obuzarisa Evelyn Health Training Institute Mbarara City ishomere rikushomesa bunasi obuzarisa arurengo rwa certificate diploma in nursing and midwifery niza kwera ishomereri nirishangwa kachika omuri cyamugoranyi ari Mbarara Community Hospital ija oyetunjiro bukugu okwandika beje basya kuri ni kugenda umisha hishomero
okumenya birakiraho tera noti mushanju munana mushanju 50 abrinina nkaga ugambe na principal.
Evelyn Health Training Institute Mbarara City improving community health.
Nyebiti kubyenda
Penkoni yakwera utamuha umumudu nokora ekikire wanyompenkoni wanyompenkoni nushumura kushemererwa urubunuzi na nobusinje nuenda kuchamuka mpenkoni
igenda yakintu cyo kunywa cyonka
mpenkoni ne kwamani uhindiko mushija nyishija mpenkoni ni rukundo n'ubugwaje tere kuteza hangova narisho kuterwa umutwe
sinza kutambura ngasinyode ku mpenkoni ukakase kwata nawe nywako
tunge chupa yawe hati omumaduka gakuri hihi no mabarago no mwihanga iwo mushubuzi terasi muzitezi
mpenkoni wakinkorire
omweshongozi wawe ririye nabasuba kweshongorire
yawe nongine ruhanga yakukunda ndakukunda isyata yayo
kitaguriye tuletera Kampala omuri Serena Hotel ebiruma kumesho twikomana n'umwako kutandikana shamwenda emiryango neza kuba yigwirwe twatandikira kushamererwa jishuka mushigatirwa beshongozi ba gospel bakunda abaratere nanga tukashashanoka ukutaha muri mitwaro 5 VIP mitwaro 20 tebos a miliyoni 3 hamwe na nitane z'abamazireyo bishagikirwe TV West hamwe na Radio West Uganda Kumbucha Fresco Supermarket Baka Electronics Agri Motors Ankole Pharmacy Sam's Recipes JBL kumanya bukiraho terazura mushaje 8 50 50 nkaga nina
amabasha kanje
Mwame Financial Services
kantine kibanja niyo mukazo wabariso mu rubaje rw'umuhanda ente yanje konka nkiya musente nagure banja hati indiso mfamwe zanje kandi ente sente kunaguzire banja kunagure ente zagira umugasho naguza amate naba umurisa urukurangana ati ndiyo murisa fama nahinga urutoke urungwi hamwe byo kuriye kurisa family yanjye kandi ibintu nkaguza kandi naguramu na motoka y'ikutamburamo umusentezo kaziho mu muhame
nimwije mwena tuzepe handisa etunguka yashira
kuruka nayo mukahumuro muganda makuru ubwo turukwirira ukwendera ukwezi ko konsya erizoba twakuretera kitesi owaza kweze myakena arukutura nakokoko kasirimu ogunagira ngu wabwe nakakoko kasirimu nichikuru mnonga okuzaro mu irwaro kibase kwera okutunga obuhabuzi oburukumara Gideon Senyomo naganiraho nawe
Kaitesi aina abana babiri nagira ngo bona akabonsya obarukuratira obuhabuze bwabashaho ogu akazara umwana we wo kubanza atari kumanya ngo aina akakoko kasirimu konka bashaho bakamuhwera okumutanditsa emibazi bukirikari
ukija kukimarira ringo n'akako kasirimu
akimanya yarabahame imyaka 2
ukija kukimanyota
nazo mwirwaro
stebeze
nagira mwirwaro bankebera bangambara bankansoringa nkakama kuza kamanya ketegeza nkakamanya nazire
obarukuratira obuhabuzi bwabashaho omwana wa kabiri nayonka kantaine nshonga
nkazaro mwirwaro okuzarumuka neza
tishobora icyo
nagira umwirwaro umwana akashikanye mu nda konka nansi yankoraho ndimumanye izina konka kankoraho yandeberage bakankozera muzire
nansi wankaye irwaro ndiri
kargana ma eginyamtanga
okay mbona tumusima
msima mnonga kandi nsima na nas conference
none wakarganga
akayamba mwana mnonga
okujara kaitesi waba oina kukasirimu okagirenda okuzarira omukono y'abashaho nichikuru munonga
akata kugenda rero zingo yamuhama muwogo muwogo kuri
niyo wabandise
akamureta rwire mwene kareba mpimba byo kumukiza mwani kuriya bakaba kumenya cyari bakakumujanja baji kuko kunametsere karmana mwene natungu kwereza none kugenda shamana nibankora
kaitesi nangira kugira ngo iwe wano yonsya kandi nakakukasirimu ekintu kubanza kwihaho ne stress
kuko bahabura bareke kwera cyeza kandi bareke kweta stress kandi ubumuhero eshayo nantiza kukira nimbaza neza kwiza kintu bahabura kindi bareke kwera cyeza abana babo babe kuri no makagabo mwene bakore bayo kunda byo babiri
bene nyakinga
kaites natura niba kandi taine kako kasirimu
umwana wawe nakakoko umwana wa tata
wabana nyawo kuza kumusura kandi ngidojinga munonga nikigitinde ndeba ngo nyine nashoboka bazetwera kayo kuna manyire kuna kuzira nkakimanya
ogu nasima nyina abo kumuhumuriza no kumberaho
abazera bino kugumya abana babo kandi bakabakazoringa bakagagisha hehe abo kubanya kunatemanyire tunakishereka mama nyina tata kafa nyine mama kunatimugambire yangira kwiye kubanza yanyesya hehe abana bandi yakora bakunda hati mukuri na mama
nukora muri mushi
don't have business
ati nubahuta
mwene ndi mwana na nyekinshaba nenda mukuri tabarwere turondere ndasitwarezere muki abana bitu
tunga nje ashobora akwenda kumukwatiraho nubasa kwikirira anamba nakushime yanje abo inshonga ya privacy na nebindi 0 ashatinina 00 ashatinina 0 ashatinina 00 ashatinina nare 0 06 eje namba iri mu mazina ga senyu mugige haje ikintu cyone cywa hayo kuruga mutuma nsintu kusimo buhwezi ahandi kundo egumewe twayikirira kabaru Moses orukora na Uganda Cares ekitongore kiri kureberera abantu abinako koko kasirimu kandi inshonga y'abakazi abarukonzi abinako kasirimu okunuko yagishobora hati
Smagarinti omuzire tineshonga yona ekumuzibirira konse umwana we ya obabo inaka koko kasirimu oyino mwana n'ikirungi omuhereze amabere ayonke mwana yaheza umwaka gumwe tumwiha amabere twaheza kumwiha amabere omuzire ntumugambira harengaho wiki mukaga amugaruze omwiraro bamwiheho eshagama barebe yaba inaka koko kasirimu yinga yabatakiri n'ikirungi munonga okugerera abiragiro byabashaho omwana ogu ntumwiho eshagama emirundi nkena wiki mukaga myezi 9 mwaka gumwe na wiki mukaga na no mwaka gumwe n'icweka abazire bona ntubagira ngo omwana ogu yaheza kuruga amabere harengaho wiki mukaga amugaruza mu irwaro bamwiheho eshagama kandi mwaka gumwe n'icweka amugaruze bamwiheho eshagama ekwerukayo ejo niyo tukonfaminjaho yaba iraka koko kasirimu ninga yabatakoreki yabatakine
ogona nagirango hari emibazi yo mutano erukozebwa abakazi abinako kasirimu nabo abarukonzya embozeji neshezemo ebyone ebitene bimanywa nane bigambwa ngo mukazi uinako kasirimu tarukonzya
2030 tukwenda mwana wena kuba nazarwa ainaka koko kasirimu echo nicho kiroto kitu nkabashaho nana ekitongore cyamagara omunsiyona na no mu Uganda tukwenda mwana wena kuzarwa ainaka koko kasirimu kandi abashija bine kuyambaho abakazi babo okureba ngo babinenda babasherekerezeho mu iraro bekereza akakoko kasirimu kandi bona bashangwa biraka koko kasirimu babaze bikirize batandiko mbazi
abwa TV West ndisenyomo Gideon
webare senyomo Gideon hari umushijo w'imyaka nkaga umutura wa Kashenyi ya kabiri shaka division no mu Bushenyi ishaka municipality warwire oburwire bwa pressure na shukari kandi ogwamuretire okusharwaho amaguru gombi ogu ashobanjirirwe kandi ashabo kwezi okurgumbanya Mbabazi
Kama Steven no mutura wa Kashenyi ya kabiri ishaka division no mu Bushenyi ishaka municipality kandi bakamusharaho amaguru gwanyuma yo kurengwa pressure na shukari okuyaba musharaho amaguru aga taine cyari kubasa kwesyaho kandi ogu aturo mu mbere gumire
indwara ya shukari na pressure nazo mwirwaro ncwanga baginkwatamu basharamo kunya w'amaguru babanza no kuguru kumwe ukwabumusho bihawaho amezi abiri banyaho kwa buryo nabecumuka mwenisha buyambi umumbeje yindumu undu wena urandebe amperezo buyambi kumwiro bunabiyendwariremo kijanageramwe kindi kizubu banyaka ikibanje cyanjye ikindi yo ni mfanabo ngo bakakingarura kizigaruka mu mikono yanjye
waika haru kurara no kwatwe sasi ahubwo kurara namigana n'enkoko ngo bunda kabonaho kutorubaju
kumasha ziramaguru nagire kizubu umukazi yantorokaho n'abana yabatwara nagumiraho ntinde kiyamba
kama Steve nogu nagamba kuba mazire myakena arwire kandi ubu bakwasirimo uburwire bwa shukari na pressure ubwa muretiro ku musharaho n'amaguru bombi ubwa hatari yaho ensonga niyemwe kuyamazire kutunge kizibecho umukazi nagira ngo n'umukazi wakakwata abana be yiruka yabora na hatari kumanya ahi batura konka mbwe niza yafuna umunyambabazi yaguma namureberero mu njomu mbwene nawe hayizire habaho ikizu nawe yafa hato mushija ryaho bemushobire aryo mu nju wenga enshonga ni yemwe nabwe kuyagira hakitanda bamumbanya buzare bamuyaho ikibanza bari kutekateka ngo agizirata ngo takigaruka abo kugira ngo abira takiyamba mbwene hati umushija ryaho n'ikibanza bakakitwara umukazi yagenda mbwena ryo munju ashobangirirwemo obire namuyambaho na wafire hata magarage garyo mukari so ntuhakushabira ubuyambi kugira ngo umuntu wakubasa kumuyamba kuba ino buyambi bwena yetaga transport yo kuza kuronda imbazo mu irwaro ubuyambi bwa burabiza hanambezi 0708 iganabiri na mushanju rwenda shanju na munana nari 0705 rushanju 22 rushanju 10 Ben Muhozi abwa TV Western Shell.
Ben Muhozi, Minister wa Government Zebyanga Barambarga hara atenya semeremermo erukorwa company ya Movit omukwatiraho government okutungura ebyobwegese. Minister Gambrebi obwabira lyahari kadindi mu primary school no district ya Bunyangabu ahamukorogo kwigura echombeko c'25 echombe kirorukura Movit company Simpson Birunji.
Movit Company Limited birukangirira abantu ba district ya Bunyangabu nebichweke bijehingurize barukubombekere bibina bina ahari kidinde mu primary school no kuta desk sombe bine byombekirwe omukoro ogu gukurirwe Minister wa Government Zebyanga Barambarugahara kana simiro murumo okozrwa ba Movit Company Limited okwatiraho government okutungura ebyo bwegese.
So Movit munyano wange kwenda kusima webale muno ukombeka isomero lino 5 classrooms tichangwire nga government okubudgetinga nga government ne mu budgetinga ne bagamba tombekere classrooms 8 ne kisayi ky'omupiira gweri kagenda ogo nanga maracha bangamba bakoze 2.8 billion nalo bombekere nagamba ito abasoma ba Uganda bano omuntu arabakolera ki.
Mukuru wa district ya Bunyangabu Peter Msings asimira rukura Movit abo murumo gwakozire.
Kwenda kusima omulingo gwembaganiza ka district otujuire otugeze omugugu ogwa classrooms akwa kadindemo classroom blocks enyingi zikuzire zalizombekerwa akasumi kayinge na mbere yopi yatandikire kandi no muyaga nyuma okeja gwa sisa classes zike betatu uwaita kwatera hitano zinu nisaba abantu wa Bunyangabu tudere Salongo Simpson Mungaro webalo mtema murungi
laying a foundation, and now we are here to prove that the foundation we laid, now we are handing over the final classroom block of 5, and we appreciate God for that and appreciate the foundation for supporting the budget to make sure the work is done.
Simpson Birunji owatanchire Movit Products azirengwa hishomereri noho yihera amagezi agamukiza hari obwahati
amagezi bona akatandikira mu isomero lino lyenyini so nimo abana bakusomera mu isomero lino muteke amani nimo mutandike kusaba mu benkanye mwaketegereza abana bato nyewe okugambira amazima nsemerirwe muno waderini isomero nyizire kuri handing over kinu tukakikora kuruga hamutema kusaha yatuhambirize akuba twebuza twagamba abantu abasagikire kitongole kine myaka 29 nogenda kubasasurota
gasha kwa Anita Tukunda.
Webare Anita Atkunda abatura omurembo rwa Hoima batonjero obushanjabi obwamatu obwabusha omurusisira rw'byamagara orutebekanisibwa ba Rotary Club of Hoima Kitara.
kuragurira no kucebera amato birebire byabusha kandi bitebekanisibwa ba Rotary Club of Hoima Kitara kandi kubira hari Azure Health Center ya Kana omurembo rwa Hoima
baro bigamba nti ebireta obutawulira mu baana 60% tusobola bikolako ne tubijjawo preventable causes 60%. So bwetubanga tuyize ku bw'obutawulira we can reduce tukendezaako impact y'obutawulira 60% bwetubanga tubikozeeko. Wano Uganda waliwo research yakolebwa Makerere ng'egamba nti 11% mu baana 0 to 9% balinamu a level of disabling hearing loss. Naye mu bantu abakulu okuva ku World Health Organization abantu abakulu okusuka myaka 65 ogenda waggulu 1 in every 6 is omuntu omu mu bantu 6 oyo abeera percentage ya waggulu nnyo.
Ebizibu bikwatire n'amatu n'okuhuura bikanya mu population kandi ebintu biri bingi accidents abakayikuru bakura ubona okukura nako nkutarabanizibwa kandi tuinemu n'abantu abakura omu byoma ebikura noise oba etoko abamu bakura batine hearing aids ebyo byona bikurugamu okunanka amatu kandi n'amatu agito obumu abamu tubagakirininga kurungi
abashaho bona bashoborera obukomoko oburi kukira kuteganisa amatu omu bantu.
Young generation tutambula nga tutadde ebintu mu matu tutambula tutadde ebintu ku mutwe ebikuba sound y'amaanyi okwo nakwo buzibu oba weereetera chances okufuna obuzibu obutawulira ziba zeeyongera mu maaso ekyo bakiyita.
Reka tumiriho ntugaruka n'agandi amakuru.
Alo.
Ese mwami mukasa.
Mutyaneyo.
Yono broka.
Yenze broka wa mayumba.
Bangambye ne nyumba za mwenungiko.
Kitufu. Oyagala yabisenge bimeka?
Nga bisatu.
Ebeyi bagigambye.
Bangambye saa 5.
Nedda 7 zali nyamuko.
Yidwaki.
Anti rangi gye tusigisa ya mulembe. Anti ne value y'ekitundu yalinnya.
Musigisaki.
Global Paints.
Mutya.
Ku ceiling. Tukozesa Global Mat. Ate munda ne tukozesa Global Silk Vinyl.
Singa kwetaga wabweru.
Wabweru tukozesa Global Weather Coat Emulsion.
Owa. Kusinga gye musiga. Ogwo omutindo okusasulira sente zonna.
Guli wumite.
Global Paint, a reliable product.
At Avance International University, we offer various courses in business, education, humanity and social sciences, information technology, journalism, nursing and midwifery, plus complementary and alternative medicine. The school is equipped with a well-stocked library, computer lab and different science laboratories for research and experiments. We offer full and half bursaries for students who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Enroll now for your degree, diploma or certificate studies. Contact or WhatsApp us on 0700 670 691.
Mami!
Wanje sabo.
Ugamotia. Oina kachi. Ha. Kagulinzi tekako. Teka kagulinzi. I want everything, eh?
Okay.
Yes. So, when I pay the time, this will increase my loan limit. Hey, Mutieni Momo. Madam, remove the food. Put in more meat. Add the meat. Yes. Hey. Now, these are the fruits of paying your loan is in time.
That's right. Every time you repay your Momo loan on time, your loan limit can increase, giving you access to more money when you need it most. Dial *165*5# to borrow, pay back, and grow your limit with Momo loans.
You have juice?
Yes.
Juice in me.
This July, get ready for stories that will make your heart race. From love and passion to secrets and lies that can ruin everything. Catch the sizzling episodes of Sins and Roses at 4 p.m., Domenica Monteiro at 5 p.m., Be My Sunshine at 6 p.m., and Avenida Brazil at 7 p.m. Central African Time. Only on Novelas Plus, channel 134 on GoTV.
omweshongozi wawe ririye nabasuba kweshongorire yawe nowatine ruhanga yakukunda ndakukunda ifyata yakitaguru yakituletera Kampala omuli Serena Hotel ebiruma kumesho twukomana n'umwaka kutandikana shamwenda emiryango neza kuba yigwirwe twatandikira kushamererwa jishuka ngoshigatirwa beshongozi ba gospel bakunda abaratere nanga tukashashanoka ukutaha muri mitwaro 5 VIP mitwaro 20 tables miliyoni 3 hamwe na nitane z'abamazireyo bishagikirwe TV West hamwe na Radio West Uganda Kumbucha Fresco Supermarket Baka Electronics Agri Motors Ankole Pharmacy Sam's Crisps JBL kumanya bukitiraho terazura mushaje 8 50 50 nkaga nina amabanja kanje. It might seem crazy what I'm about to say. Here's how you chase that gray away. Surrender today and show your smile, please. The world smiles back at you, so come on, smile, please. Surrender today, let's see those smiles, please. Sibabet kukebet, kubabet kukebet, sibabet kukebet, we wina kukebet, sibamane kukebet, we wangu nile motoka. Yes, buli mwezi kebet, egaba ye motoka, sibamane kukebet, we wangu nile pichi, anti kukebet, buli week ofunayo pichi.
Kbet and vroom, we wina. Kagwira unatere kwa mionga ya chibe. Nga kumleoni guno, ogenda kufuna mkusogu wangu nile motoka, pichi, milioni 2 buli wiki, na bilala binchi. Genda kumsaiti ya fe ku kbet.ug. Kumulendo kuno na waka pesa ku kantu poli. Aliko ya toniga star, emumnana 5*5*3*2# aliko mtenyiga star, emumukaga 5*, mukaga star, *. Betting is for persons 25 years and above. Betting is addictive and can be psychologically harmful.
Metropolitan International University, a multi-campus university with campuses in Kampala, Kisoro, and Mbarara. They offer various courses in disciplines like computing, education, humanities and social sciences, business administration and management sciences, tourism and journalism studies, information technology, agriculture, health sciences, and engineering courses. Full and partial bursaries of tuition are also available for those who apply in time. Enjoy a cool and magnificent learning environment with a touch of professional and internationally recognized professors and lecturers. Come for your degree, diploma, or certificate studies. Empowerment through knowledge creation.
Business is busy. Konkati nyine stock. Omuringo nkogwe no ferwa customer murungi. Na apo ya numeda no basa kutunga roni ombwira. Tunga roni okugendera kimwa shirinjo bukikuru 30 omushabiri ni nazonka. Turukwetenga kuboye no musingo ningo mwema.
Echikuru downloading apo ya numeda oshaberoni nikiba cyaho. Hatuno basagariza mu stoka yawe. Ohereze ba customer bawe. Otungure na business yawe. Wabo kwatanise n'abantu abashikira. Downloading apo ya numeda okuruga Google Play Store ningo teresumu ya note 8 note ishatu emwe ina emwe ishatu. Numida fast simple built for business.
Mami!
Wanje sabo.
Ugamotia. Oina kachi. Kagulini ziteka ko. Teka kagulini. I want everything, eh?
Okay.
Yes. So, when I pay the time, this will increase my loan limit. Hey, Mutieni Momo. Madam, remove the food. Put more meat. Add the meat. Yes. Hey. Now, these are the fruits of paying your loan is in time.
That's right. Every time you repay your Momo loan on time, your loan limit can increase, giving you access to more money when you need it most. Dial *165*5# to borrow, pay back, and grow your limit with Momo loans.
You have juice?
Yes.
Juice in me.
hamwe na ABC Feathers Sanitary Pads tokujwara bukumi bwoka konkani zije hamwe n'obusinge bwingi. n'amani go kunyunyuta hamwe n'ebishenje bine by'obukumi kandi n'amapapagazo ni maringwa agari kuretera okwekunda n'obusinje izoba lyona nechiro
Quality pads, affordable price.
Pads ezi zikasimwa na award za bulenje bw'izoba ya Afrika. Feathers pads niziretwa omusaizi nyingi ahari mu empango neza bulijo kandi nizija na pantliners zabusha okuyamba omumbera zawe nkomukazi. ABC Feathers sanitary pads okwoloba amani obusinje. Feathers sanitary pads obukumi bw'omutano ombwire bw'omutano.
Mommy.
Yes.
At school everyone crunching.
Nange ku mulimu nga nkola. When I'm watching my kazanyo.
Mbaga ya daddy.
Anti ku highway nga mvuga. Sisumagire ekyo shuwa.
Kati nange bampakingire
Honey, mwana muwe. Get your favorite packet of Psalms from a shop or supermarket near you and crunch.
Get yourself a packet of Psalms and start crunching.
Psalms, taste the difference.
From the grandest stage, the badges change, but the passion remains.
It's a special goal. Wametiawa Kameteman.
This football is from the heavens. What a story this is. 10 months of drama lie ahead. The stage is set.
The biggest stars from the world's biggest leagues on SuperSport. It's on GoTV.
Kuruka yomukahumuro habebembezi omuchange cha ankole bashabiro kwetantara okusindika abana babagiga okubana babaza kushoma mu industrial hubs abari kwebembera entebekanise chin bagirangu echin kigarize nyuma omuramo gwo kutandikaho entebekanise gym
mu rukiko rubira hari industrial hub ya Ankole orwebembirwe dini barecyo rukurira imirimo ya State House kishanyirwe ngo industrial hub zeze zijwiremo abana babagiga kandi ngo iki ni kitana n'enshonge za leta irene bazitandikaho okwera abantu kwege by'emikono baketandikira wentasi
umuntu kwero mutarabana lebo kuwa oku chama ngazituri agamba kutekera ngo cy'abantu bahasi je te que va sidio ni tout distribution cause de manya batarachi
as a resolution tutunjeni sezo nisija kuonera kugira external so we generate those lists and we put them in place. Then lastly nabanishaba our guest nabanishabangu ha eyo negotiation
abebembezi honane basime entebekanseji kandi bina amasiko ngo naija kuhera kurwanisa ibura ry'emirimo omwihanga
bantu mwe abana barabenda kamugira projects kamugira contracts zo kubika kamugira ubwongero kamugira abafitira trips zo kubashobero kamugira yobizinde ko contract jendi wajira kaza bina abana basikiri ngirende yaba yabura abantu abashobora kugombeka mubahereze babero bakuyobegeze ikibe cyawe let us own this program. Our daughters and sons, they are working alone without any support from any office.
CDF, Senior Presidential Advisor on Special Duties, I am the Motor. The drone being to go ahead and very good. No, they could be no more governments and so
Gasha kwa Sheikh Abdulatif.
Mwebere abashaje bitu bamakuru hagecirechi nabanda butwakwatanza nabo kubasa kusiya abantu amakuru agacencirechi owababine nabantu Mbabazi Charity na Loice Gava twenda kubendeza okulala kurunji.